Are you experiencing pain in the front of your hip during your Peloton rides? Well, I've got the perfect exercise for you. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. If you are new to the channel, Floch Fitness is all about fitness, wellness, and longevity for the ageless athlete. So whether it's nutrition tips, podcasts, product reviews, or exercise tutorials like these, you want to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date on all of our latest content. So you've been getting your Peloton rides in religiously, but all of a sudden you're experiencing this anterior hip pain through the front of your hip. It potentially happens on longer rides or maybe even sprint rides. And you're feeling a popping sensation and pain and irritation through that front pocket. This exercise here is very conservative, so if it's giving you relief, I would continue to do this exercise before and after your rides. If it doesn't give you relief and you're doing it properly, I would definitely seek a healthcare practitioner to rule out any structural damages or major issues that you might be having. Understanding why you're having this anterior hip pain is going to set you up for success when we get into our exercises later on. The reason why you're having anterior hip pain during your rides, especially as you push down into the pedal, is that you're not having apical expansion and yielding strategies for your anterior chest wall. That's
causing your ribcage to flare and your pelvis on that side to anteriorly tilt, causing your femur bone to slide forward into the anterior structures of the hip capsule and the hip itself.
What did you say?
More simply, what's happening is that because you're not getting air here, you're getting a badunkadunk. Because you have a badunkadunk, your thigh bone has nowhere to go as your leg comes up, causing a pinch through the front of your hip. And then as you drive down through the pedal, there's nowhere for the thigh bone to go either. And then it's gonna shove forward into the front of your hip there too, causing that pinching, discomfort, and clicking sensation that you feel. Hopefully that makes more sense. So now that you know exactly why you're having these issues, let's talk about how to fix them. So as we talked about in why you're having these problems, we need to get air into our anterior chest wall. We need to get abs and glutes on so we can stack the torso with the pelvis. That will allow you to drive down into the pedal with force, but also giving your thigh bone somewhere to go as you pedal down. So let's get into this exercise. You're just gonna need a wall and a spot to lie down. While lying down on your back, you're gonna place your foot on the wall with your leg almost completely into extension. You're gonna bring your opposite knee into your chest, and then you're gonna tuck your hips like you're pouring the bowl of water out the back of your butt. Another way of thinking this is belt buckle toward your face. One thing you don't wanna do is turn on your anterior abs here. You wanna keep this nice and relaxed. As you're in this position, you're gonna drive through your heel so that you feel your glutes engage. Now it's all about the breathing. You're gonna reach your opposite hand toward the ceiling. Just like we said before, we want to be thinking about expanding in to out that dent in the front of your chest. So you're going to breathe in, reach slightly, and feel that expansion. As you exhale, you're going to continue to reach, tucking your hips and driving your heel into the wall. Now you're going to hold that position, breathe in through your nose, and breathe all the way out. You're gonna perform this exercise 2 sets of 5 breaths per side, and then I want you to jump on the bike and see if you're getting that same clicking, popping, and irritation on your pedaling as you ride. I hope this tip helps you on your next ride. If it does, leave a comment down below. That's all I have for today, but if you like this video or you learned something, give it a thumbs up down below. And while you're there, subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. Thank you so much for watching and have a great ride.